Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we're going to open up Settings, and in here we're going to navigate to Battery and Device Care. And we're looking for storage, so it's right over here. Now by default it will be showing us the storage of the tablet itself, as you can see, internal storage right here. So we want to swipe to the left like so, and this will now show us the SD card. Next to it we have these three dots, so you want to click on it and then select Format. And select Format. Give it a second, it only takes a couple seconds to finish up, and as you can see, SD card formatted successfully. Once it's formatted, the card is ready to be used once again, so no additional steps needed. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.